history. Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
What up,
YouTube?
You heard me?
Today we're gonna bring y'all our first
First
YouTube video.
YouTube video.
It's going to be, as you can tell by the title, a Q&A mukbang.
Mukbang.
So,
Okay. We finna get started. Okay, you guys, we're back now. Have to go handle some business. Cause, you know, today's my mom's birthday. And we have company over. And like, there's some people in my little brother room, our little cousins. They're over getting on his nerves. So now he coming in and getting on my nerves, stopping what I need to be doing. So yeah, let's get to the questions. Okay, starting from my page first. The first question is, hold on, y'all. Let me
I'm
get to it.
scared.
I ain't scared, you know.
I wonder what all the questions are.
I've been that nigga. I'm built for this, you heard me? I'm really with that. Real talk. Okay, the first question is from my boy Capers. He said, who starts the most arguments? Who starts the most arguments?
You.
No, I do not. No, I do not. We don't, like, we haven't argued, like.
Well, we don't really argue.
Yeah.
If we do get into it, we always like fix it. We always find a way
Yeah.
to
it's
get
like,
around the situation.
It's like never like a big, like, yeah. I don't know, but if we do ever do, it's her. It's her. She started. Because she always doing something stupid.
What do I be doing?
Like, she always doing something stupid.
I
Like,
don't
she'll
do
do
anything.
stupid stuff.
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Okay, next question from my page.
Well,
is,
I'm gonna let you answer 3, cause that's your first one, and I'm do 3.
Okay. Second question is, I'm just skipping around, y'all. It's not an order. Second question is,
Oh snap!
have y'all ever broke up during an argument? No, we haven't. And like, I don't know, cause like that'd be kind of crazy, like to break up with her after 6 months, you guys. And today's our 6-month anniversary too. You guys, we made 6 months today. Yeah, but yeah, I feel like no, we haven't, cause like I wouldn't break up with her over no argument anyways. Cause like, what's the point of breaking up when you go do the same thing with the next person and a person after that and a person after that and a person after that? Like, every relationship go argue. So it's nothing like, so it's not that big of a deal. Well, a big deal. And then the third question is, who said I love you first? She said it first.
I did.
Y'all might don't believe it, but I promise y'all, she told me
I
she
really
loved me
did.
first. Like, bro, like, I was so shocked. Like, I was sitting like that, like, she loved me? Like, bro, y'all, I was so happy. And ever since then, bro, you know, it's been good. We've been chilling. Okay,
I know that's weird, but
your time.
so we're gonna answer some from my page. Let's see.
I'm dropping so.
All right. So I'm just pick something. Somebody said no. Okay, so somebody said, who is the craziest out of me?
Who you think the craziest?
I feel like I am. Cause you feel like I play too much and stuff.
Oh,
Like
it
that
depends
be-
on what type of crazy they come out.
Yeah.
Cause like,
If you talking about like goofy crazy, then yeah.
yeah, she
That-
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, she crazy. If you talking about that type of crazy, but if you talking about like mindset type crazy and like that'll like get off real fast and they're like mouth don't got no filter, yeah, that's kind of me then.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of me.
Okay. So the next question is, would you marry Bam/Joya? It's a question to me. Yes, I would.
Oh, but you marry me?
Yeah.
That was so ugly face I just. Why that face was ugly though?
Oh my goodness.
1 second, you guys. Okay, we're back.
Alright.
They're finna
Let's
get on
hope
my
we don't
nerves.
have any more interruptions.
I hope we don't.
Alright, so that was my second one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So the next question is, who asked who out first?
I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I didn't even ask out. The first time, oh, that's another story. But the time when we got together, I did not ask out.
Well, it wasn't a really ask out thing. I think, cause like I had like just got out of a relationship and I had found out that he liked me, and so we kind of just went from there.
Big dog. Yeah, I ain't have to ask out, you know. Cause when I got with that thing, I treated her right. And you know, she wanted a nigga. Mm-hmm. She had to drop that 0 and get with a hero. You heard me? I'm a big dog. Cause I'm a big dog, you heard me? But yeah, though. Yeah. She just became my girlfriend. I told her she was my girlfriend. She didn't believe me. And now she's my girlfriend.
Yeah, that's weird though.
I'm telling y'all, it's that mouthpiece. Dudes out there, you gotta have a good mouthpiece. I'm telling you, you gotta have a good mouthpiece. Okay. Next question is, can I be in y'all wedding? I don't
care.
Well, I care, but I
Well,
don't mind.
it's certain people. It depends on who asks you.
She asked.
Oh, yeah, you can come. Just don't make me have to fight you when you
No,
get there.
she said, can she be in the wedding?
Oh, in the wedding? That could be the flower girl.
See, yeah. I don't know. Because I don't have, like, that's a difficult question for me. Cause, like, I'm the boy. And yeah. Right.
But yeah, I'll let you be the flower girl. You be cute.
Okay. Next question is, do y'all think y'all would be together forever? Maya. Hey, Maya. But, Maya? But,
I feel like we'll have like a long relationship, but I don't know if it'll be forever. I hope it does.
yeah.
But you can't say forever.
Yeah. You wanna know what I think? I think we're gonna break up after a year.
Why you say that?
I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Why did you?
But yeah, though, it's like, yeah, like what she said. Like, I don't think we go, I don't know, forever. It's hard saying forever. Cause like, there's never a forever. Like, everything gotta end. Like, yeah. I'm gonna be with her till I die. Let me put it like that. I'm gonna try to be with her till I die. Cause she drives me crazy sometimes, you guys. But yeah. My third question is, I've seen a lot of these, like, y'all ask me about kids. No time soon. No time soon. My boy John said, when the kids gonna get here? The kids is going to get here.
When we're probably in our 20s or mid-20s.
Yes. when we were grown, own house, cars, jobs.
Just basically out on our own.
Yeah, on our own. And yeah, that's when the kids is coming. Like, yeah. That's my third question. Your turn.
Okay. Let's see. So the next question is, are we going to get challenges and pranks started?
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
I
She don't.
I don't like pranks, but
She don't.
I don't like pranks, but I have to like get myself together first before I even think about doing pranks, cause I take it serious.
Serious. Cause like y'all,
Like real serious.
y'all don't understand. Like before this, I actually played a breakup prank on her like twice. And you guys like, bro, she was like crying like a newborn baby, y'all. Like twice. Like who fall for the same prank twice in less
I
than
do.
2 months?
I do,
Like
cause I
y'all.
care.
But still though, y'all, it was like, yeah.
It ain't funny.
But yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
Okay, so the next question is, what are y'all favorite foods? My favorite food? Like if you talking about what kind of favorite food or something, I have to say I like seafood and stuff. You know, like crawfish, shrimp, crab, all this stuff. I basically eat anything, y'all.
I like homemade stuff.
Yeah, me too. I eat anything.
I like homemade cheeseburgers, McDonald's cheeseburgers. I love me some burgers. Why y'all think I got so big? Eating burgers, it do it to you. Especially bacon burgers. Man, my favorite thing is go to Wendy's, get you a Baconator, some ketchup and some mayo. You slap them fries on there. Ooh, get you a thing of barbecue sauce. You dip that burger in there and you eat. Ooh, it's Jesus, Jesus,
No, you
Jesus.
fat.
Jesus gonna take, boy. Jesus take the wheel, bro.
I think the only thing I wouldn't like is sushi.
Ooh,
I
bro.
hate sushi. I hate it. It's so nasty.
Bro, I had sushi one time in Miss Myers' class. Nigga almost threw that up, bro. It was so nasty.
It's just raw stuff wrapped together with rice and stuff. It's nasty.
Yeah, I promise you. It had your nigga finna throw up over here, bro. Okay, next question. This your last question, too.
I don't know. Okay, so the next question is, how did we meet?
Oh, somebody asked me that one, too.
How did we meet? Okay. So,
You know we have two different virgins.
yeah, he could tell you his story and I could tell you my story if he asked this question. But I basically I basically already knew him, but like we didn't like talk or anything. It's like we'll just speak. No, I didn't speak to him. I wouldn't say that. I didn't ever speak to him because I didn't like him. I didn't like him at first.
Because I was a player and she was just jealous because I didn't want her.
Jealous? I didn't want you. I didn't.
She's lying.
I didn't. I swear I did.
Okay,
I
back
didn't-
to the question.
Don't
Back to
interrupt
the-
me.
Back to the
Don't
question.
interrupt me. Like I was saying, y'all, I didn't like him. It's just that at the beginning of this school year, stuff just started happening, you know. I don't know.
Tell you that mouthpiece, man. That mouthpiece will do it. Okay. Somebody asked, what's his/her favorite color. Her favorite color is.
Pink.
I think they were asking me, not you. Okay, but yeah, her favorite color is pink. What's my
I mean,
favorite? What's my favorite color? What's my favorite color?
Your favorite color is red,
Okay.
right?
Like-
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, the next question is, how many kids y'all gonna have? Let me remind y'all, no kids until we're grown and on our own.
But
I want one. No, I want. She can say two. I want one. I want. I don't know. Whatever God bless me with.
I mean, yeah, I guess you could say that.
like I want mine too. But like, yeah, I want one.
But yeah, I recommend it too. Like that's all I ever wanted was like 2 kids. I don't want nothing over 2. Cause
Yeah.
I barely like kids myself.
And I'm sorry, y'all. My auntie had walked in. I had to tell her this. About. Y'all don't understand.
That was your second question, right?
Oh, that my second. Yeah, let me see. Say y'all, this fish is kicking, bro. I promise you.
Hey, you got more than me.
What questions?
I feel like you do.
Tell you I got a lot. Did you not see? Let me ask another one of Caper question. Oh, will we do a collab with Capers?
TV?
Yeah, Capers TV. It was coming, but yeah,
Yeah.
we would. We would do one very, very,
Very
soon.
soon.
Like when I say very soon, I mean like
Very soon.
very soon. Like ain't no telling what it'll be though. It might be like a public interview. You know, I might even do like a prank, like get them involved in a prank or something. You know. Y'all just let y'all know I am a goat. I am a goat at the pranks. So Team Bam all the way, you hear me? Team Bam all
Oh
the way.
yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all about this story, but it's gonna have to wait another time.
How you get them all hyped like that?
I mean, you gotta get the crowd wanting to know what it is, so you have to tell them to wait on me, you know.
Okay, now it's your turn.
All right, let me see.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Y'all, my elbows hurt.
Okay, so the
Just
first
lay on her
question
leg.
is, what are y'all plans in the future?
Get married, have a child, have at least about 3-4
You
cars.
skipped over one most important part.
What's-
College change.
Oh, yeah. You know how I'm coming. Yeah, she want to go to the same college as I do. I want to go to SAU and be a mechanic or a welder. It's one out of those two. And yeah, after college, you know,
Gonna start our own family,
start our own family, you know.
get a house and everything.
We gotta get the house before we get the family. So yeah, we're gonna have like
The house, then
yeah,
kids,
kids, yeah,
car, you know.
all that good stuff. Yeah.
Okay. So the next question is going to be okay. Ooh, this is a tough one. Somebody said, "What's one thing y'all don't like about each other?"
One thing I don't like about her is Bo. Like she is like so friendly though. But she ain't as friendly as she used to be. Y'all, when I tell you, when we first got together, the girl, man, I ain't gonna tell our business, but bro, when we first got together, she literally, bro, like
I
too
was just
friendly.
nice, you know.
Too friendly.
I was nice.
But yeah, this our last round, you know.
Alright. Let me see. What's gonna be my third question? I don't know what I like about him. What I don't like about him.
I'm about to say.
No.
You don't like.
Wait.
I mean, what you?
I have to
Woo.
rephrase myself.
Y'all,
I
I
don't
thought
know.
she said she don't know what she like about me, y'all. That would have hurt my feelings, though.
I like
would've-
everything about you.
I like everything about you too, baby.
Girl, that wink was awkward.
Okay, but yeah,
Let me see. Let me think.
it's
I don't
nothing that
know.
you like. It's nothing that you like. I ain't trying to sound perfect and all, but I'm a real good boyfriend, and like, it's really nothing that you can't like about me. Or is it?
Oh yeah, I can tell you one thing I don't like about you. How you be pranking me.
Ah!
Film stupid pranks and stuff.
Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I am a goat, man. Like I am an OG, y'all. Like I am so far. Like it's crazy.
Okay, so the next one is who starts the play fights most?
Ooh,
of the time?
her. I promise to God, her. Like y'all, I promise y'all, we'll be sitting down on the way to the RTC building. She would hit me and shove me out of nowhere. She's a flirter, bro. Like she's a big flirter. Like I promise y'all. And then like we'll be walking, she'll push me. I'll be like, man, what is you doing, dog? Like, come on now. Like,
I just
stop
be
all that.
wanting to talk. I be bored,
Oh,
and you
yeah.
just don't be talking to me. So
Yeah, I be ready to kick her butt sometimes, y'all, cause she be hitting me for real. I be like, ooh, bro, you finna make me knock. Like, one time I caught her though, y'all, like we was right there by the bedroom. I gave her 2 good punches. She almost went in the trash can, but she was mad, y'all.
I did not go in the trash can.
I said you almost
no,
went in the trash can.
No, I didn't.
Oh man, now you just lying for the camera. You heard me? Okay,
You wanted me to go up in there, so you'll have an excuse just to say that.
3 more questions. No, for our last questions, we're gonna ask 5.
Yeah.
Let me go right here so I can see them better. Okay. Let me go. Let me ask my nigga Jaden questions. Oh, I already answered it. My nigga Jaden said a baby boy or a baby girl.
I want a boy first,
Yeah, I'll say a boy first too.
cause if we like have a girl in the future after that, I want her to have like a big brother, so he can look after her and stuff.
Really won't matter to me. I just wanna,
No, you want a boy first. Don't say it don't matter. Talking about
Say.
you want a junior.
say. Long as I can get in them breeze, you heard me? I ain't worried about it.
Ew, shut up.
I'm just playing,
No, you wouldn't.
Another question is... I ain't gonna even ask that question. That one right there.
I didn't even ask my question. Yeah.
Should we?
I mean, it really isn't that bad.
Okay,
It ain't that bad.
who's more freaky? I am.
No, my question is worse, so I'm not gonna ask that one.
I am, y'all. Like, y'all gotta understand. Boy, that's all y'all need to know is I am. I cannot fake. Who is the weirdest in the relationship? She is. No. How I'm weird? How am I weird? How am I weird? You tell me how. How? Y'all, she is weird. Like,
How
bro.
am I weird?
Bro-
What weird
Oh
stuff do I
my
do?
God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who eats pickles with sugar?
That is so good. A lot of people.
Who eats pickles
A
with
lot of
sugar?
people do it.
Oh my God. Let me think of some more weird crap.
A lot of people do it.
Bro, she eat sugar with her pickles.
And I made him eat it. He said it wasn't bad.
But still,
Exactly.
though, you see, you had like you tricked me inside your little weird ways, and like, bro, like it was so weird, y'all. And then listen, y'all. I'll be over the house. I'll be like, I'll just be chilling, right? Like, I'll be having my eyes closed and stuff, and she'll be looking all in my face while I'm asleep, y'all. I promise.
I mean, wouldn't any girlfriend do that?
But
I know. I know some girlfriends do that. They
Like-
look in their boyfriend's face when they sleep.
Like, y'all, wake up. Wake up. I'll be like, what you looking at? Like, come on now.
I mean, maybe I'm just admiring your beauty or something.
Hey, girl, don't say broody, man. You make it sound like I'm a faggot, bro. Okay. Why y'all so rude? We're not rude.
I'm not rude.
My girlfriend just got a mug, y'all. She do have a mug, like she got a mug. Out of this world.
Don't take it the wrong way. I don't know. It's just me. I've been having that type of mug since 5th grade or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just me.
Yeah.
So don't take it the wrong way. If I just look at you crazy or something.
Who's more irritating? She is, bro. She knows she more irritating. Like, bro, like, y'all, when I tell y'all don't understand. The girl that sit right here, I just be chilling. She'll be like, babe.
You be doing that
Babe.
too sometimes, though.
Babe. I do it to you when you mad. But she'll do it to me
I
like
do
out
it
of
to
the
you
blue.
when you mad
She'll be like,
too.
babe. I'll be like, oh my God, get up on my face. I just turn around and I just uppercut you with a.
No,
everything.
I guess you can say both of us, because we both do that.
Yeah, you
You
guys.
be irritating sometimes too, so.
Yo, that's how you feel now? Okay.
I mean, you just said I be irritated. I didn't say nothing about it.
Okay. How long we been together?
6
months. From the day. Okay, last question, you guys.
Oh, so this is your 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to choose. Y'all asked a lot of questions. Look, dog, like y'all asked like so many questions. Like I mess with y'all though, bro. Let me get it out my face. I can't.
She didn't even ask no questions on my thing. She put them all on yours. I was mad.
Say, don't get mad. Be happy.
No,
you hear me?
because that's not fair. I had asked her to do it on my page. She went on your page and did it.
Yeah, cause I'm a goat like that, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's how you feel.
Nah, baby.
You don't think I am?
Nah, baby. Who's the nicest? That's my last one. Yeah, I am nice, you guys.
I guess you could say both of us.
Is you talking about like towards people or like towards each other? It depends. Like if you talking about towards people,
You follow her?
who you talking about? I've been following. But yeah, it depends on like who you talking about. Like I mean, like what you talking about. Like if you talking about like who's more nicer to you, like each other. Like I'm more nice like to her. But yeah. Yeah, but like to other people, she's more nice.
Yeah.
She treat people better than she treat me. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Like, yeah, though. We both nice.
Okay.
But you get 3 questions.
I get 3.
Yeah, look how long the video is.
That's okay.
Ain't nobody finna sit and watch that.
Yeah. So
I wouldn't watch it.
Yes, you would, because it's this.
We done made a whole
I mean,
TV show.
alright. So,
Hit
I
up
guess
MTV.
I'll ask 3 questions. Let me see. This question says, what's your impression on him? Like, what they mean by that? What's my impression?
I guess, like, you know, like, how did I impress? Like, I don't know. My
Like,
eyes.
if you mean like what impresses me about him, I guess you could say he just said it.
What?
He just said it. His eyes. I like his eyes. His eyes are pretty.
Okay. What impressed me about her? That big old booty, huh? That juicy booty. Now let me see that booty. I'm just playing. But I love her hair. I love like how skinny she is. Like I like her skin color. I like how her skin clear. I love how she like just keep herself up, and it's just like, she's like my baby sexy. Like, my baby just sexy. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me stop looking at that camera like that, bro.
You need to. It's so weird. Alright, so my last question is going to be let's see. Okay. I'm sorry I'm taking so long. Yeah, I'm trying to see because half of these questions we done answered.
Y'all don't know. After we get off this, I'm finna go sleep. Get your mind out the nasty. Get your mind out the nasty.
Alright, so this question says, if y'all want to have kids, how many and what would their names be?
Oh, Lord Jesus, y'all asked me a hard question. If it's a boy, we already said we don't want to have more than 2. So if it's 2, the boy name will be Eric. I ain't saying my middle name, but it'll be Eric. Eric Jr. EJ, that's his nickname. Girl name.
Girl name, that's gonna take some thinking. I don't know.
Y'all, we
Like
done thought about it.
royalty? Royalty?
Yeah, that's what she said last time.
Royalty?
Yeah, like royalty. Like, I like that.
But girl names are
Hard.
hard.
Yeah.
But I see royalty.
We might can be the first people to name our baby LaJoya Jr. LJ.
Yeah.
Gang stuff, no lame stuff. Okay, y'all, that consists of our video today.
What?
What
that
you mean?
concludes our video for today. What?
That consists of our
Where
video
did
today. That consists of our video today, you guys. Y'all have a nice night or morning.
Or day.
Yeah, our day.
And if you haven't liked this video
Yes.
and click the subscribe button
Subscribe.
and click the bell button to
Bell.
get Hush, you're messing me up. To get notifications of when we post anything, so y'all can be up to date.
Yes. Love you guys.
And we'll see you next time.